Hello, dear audience, welcome back on our YouTube channel Earthquake Strokes. You are watching Earthquake Strokes, and we are informing you about an earthquake which occurred in Jersey near Villas today in USA. According to United States Geological Survey and European Mediterranean Seismological Center, its magnitude was 3.8 and it was at 1 p.m. according to local time. And for more latest updates, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel, and also visit our channel regularly. I request to all members again, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye till next video.